Welcome back! Today we dive into the golden era of LEGO Technic. From 2010 to 2025, it was a time of groundbreaking supercars, massive flagships, and true engineering marvels. Let's see how Technic has evolved into a collector's dream. In 2011, the Unimog 408110 was released, one of the most functional Technic sets ever, with pneumatics, suspension, and differentials. In 2013, the Volvo L350F40 came with full power functions control, proving that Technic could be motorized straight out of the box. In 2014 gave us the Mercedes-Benz Arox 2043, a masterpiece of pneumatics and design and a milestone in LEGO's brand collaboration. In 2016 changed everything. The Porsche 911 GT3 RS 2056 started the Ultimate Car Series with premium packaging and a functional gearbox. In 2018 brought the Bugatti Chiron 4283, featuring a detailed W16 engine and an 8-speed transmission. In 2020, the Lamborghini Sián FKP 3740 stunt founds with its lime green design and scissor doors. In 2019's Liebherr R 2100 introduced Control Plus with 7 motors and smartphone control, a true game changer. In 2021, the CAT D11 Bulldozer 42131 became the biggest bulldozer LEGO has ever built, packed with advanced functions. Then, in 2022, the Airbus H175 helicopter 42145 arrived with an incredibly realistic rotor system. 2020 gave us the Ferrari Daytona SP3 42143, the most complex and stunning LEGO supercar to date. In 2023 and 2024 followed with the Yamaha MT1 OSP40 2159 and the McLaren Formula 1 2141. And in 2025, Technic celebrated with even more refined flagships and supercars, pushing detail and engineering to new heights. From 2010 to 2025, LEGO Technic became more than just toys, they became engineering masterpieces. Stick around for the next episode, where we'll look at what's next for Technic.